The internet is the biggest place ever. Great for connecting with people, watching various videos like cat videos or whatever. But did you know you can also make some serious cash online? Yeah, I know. Most of the things out there are scams, like those sketchy virus links or fake promises that never deliver. But what I have found for you is the real deal. No tricks, no scams, just a super legit way to earn real money. In fact, through this way, you can make up to $300 every single day. All you need is Google. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. Let's get started. The platform that we would be using to earn is Google. Do you know why? Because over 8.5 billion searches happen on Google every single day. Millions of people turn to Google every second to look for answers, products, or random stuff. Now imagine if you could tap into that organic traffic. People naturally search for things without having to pay for ads. That's where you get into the equation and make money. So, how do you do this? Simple. By leveraging these searches to sell products. And don't freak out. You're not starting an actual business with inventory and all those stress. We're just going to sell digital products. Now, if you don't know what those are, well, anything that you sell online in a digital form is a digital product. For example, ebooks, guides, templates, and printables. Any kind of stuff you can create once and sell over and over and over again. The best thing here is that digital products have the potential to reach a massive audience because they are easy to share and download. Now, let's move on to the technical part. First thing first, you are going to need a free Google Bard, or as it is now called, Google Gemini account. It is super easy to use. In fact, if you are logged in now on the search engine through your Google account, you don't even need to set up a separate account. Just open the platform by searching its name on Google. Click on Chat with Gemini, and you are good to go. Most of you might be wondering why I recommended Gemini and not something like ChatGPT. Well, Gemini is regulated by Google. It knows Google's algorithm. This is why Gemini is better for SEO and search ranking, which is exactly what we need to generate more traffic. Once you have your account set up, I am going to show you how to use Gemini to find your niche. This is an important step because this step can make or break your success. Let's say you love gaming and you are a pro at playing video games. You know everything about them, but you decide to choose the health and wellness niche. It's already the worst course of action. You have already set yourself up for failure from the start. Why? Because you need to choose a niche you know inside out or that you are genuinely passionate about. Just go for anything, pick something you know stuff about. This is where Gemini can help you. You can use Gemini to explore trending topics and see what people are searching for. Let's say you like cooking. So search for specific trends like cooking for a healthier body or cooking for losing weight, etc. You notice how I did not just stop at cooking because you do not need a simple niche. You have to get super specific. The more laser focused you are, the easier it will be to target the right audience. For example, instead of just fitness, you have to narrow down your niche to home workouts for new moms. This specificity will help you appear unique in the search results and make your digital products more relevant to the people searching for them. After you have your niche, you have to create your digital product. We are going to use Canva, which is honestly one of the easiest tools out there for this kind of things. If you're not a design genius, no worries. Canva is quite easy to use. Okay, let's open Canva. You have to sign up if you haven't already. It is free. And once you are in, you will see a search bar right at the top. Let's say you are creating a recipe ebook. Type recipe ebook into the search bar and hit enter. Here you will see a bunch of templates. Pick one that catches your eye. Next, you will have to customize it. Click on the template and you will see it open up in the editor. On the left side, we have all the tools. If you want to change the colors, click on any element and a little color box will pop up above. Click that and you can choose whatever color fits your style. The same goes for fonts. Just click on the text and a toolbox will appear with font options, size, and more. Now, if you already have some stock-free footages of your dishes, you can add them here. Click on the images placeholders, hit upload files, and drop in your pictures. You can drag and resize them until they look perfect. Next, you can add more pages. Well, if you are creating a recipe ebook, of course, you will need more pages. So head over to the Pages tab on the bottom left and either duplicate an existing page or choose a new layout to mix things up. That was the most basic tutorial. Next, you will have to fill that ebook with awesome content. Now, my biggest tip is that when you are looking for content ideas, Google Gemini should be the tool you should use. Let's stick with our recipe ebook example. Use Google Gemini to search for trending recipes in your niche. Find what's hot, make it your own, and add those recipes to your ebook. And before I forget, let me remind you of what's super important here: your title. For SEO, you want a title that is not just catchy, but also full of keywords people are actually searching for. So instead of something vague like my favorite recipes, go for quick and easy vegan recipes for busy work nights. This way, your digital product will get seen by the right people. After you have your digital product ready, you have to set up your website to showcase and sell it. I have tried many platforms, but my favorite is Wix because it is both user friendly and free. It is why Wix is a top choice for beginners. Let me show you how to set up your website. First of all, head over to wix.com and sign up for a free account. Once you are in, you will be prompted to choose a template. Wix has a massive library of templates made for different needs. Whether you are creating an online store, a portfolio, or a blog, pick one that aligns with your product. If you are unsure, go for something clean and modern. Elegant website designs sell more products. Don't forget that while choosing a template. Once you have selected your template, you enter the drag and drop editor. This is where you can really make the site your own. Click on any element like text, images, buttons, and move them around to customize them to your liking. For text, you can either write your own or use Wix's AI text generator to generate a copy that fits your site's theme. After that, if you want some images, just use Wix's AI image creator to generate visuals or enhance existing ones with the image auto enhancement tool. You can also use these features on your main selling page. One feature I like the most, which has made all of the work much easier, is the AI section builder. You can use this feature to add more sections like testimonials or a product gallery, which will perfectly fit with your existing design as it would be AI generated. After you have uploaded everything, don't forget to optimize your site for search engines. Wix also has an AI meta tags creator that would generate the right meta tags for your site so that it can be easily found by potential customers. The next step is not mandatory, but if you have some extra bucks, you can do this. You see, Wix is free. You don't need to pay for anything unless you need a customized domain. If you do want a custom domain like www.myrecipe.com, you will need to purchase it. If you think the current domain is fine, no need to pay for it. All right, now your website is ready. What's next? Yes, it's time to upload your digital product and start making some money. Head over to the new product section on your Wix dashboard. This is where you will upload the digital product you have created. If you have designed a stunning cover or other visuals in Canva, simply click the image placeholder, select upload image, and choose your Canva files. A good looking cover can easily make a difference in grabbing attention, so make sure it pops. Once your products are uploaded, the only remaining thing to do is set up payment options. Wix makes it easy with built-in integration for Apple Pay and Google Pay. You will find these options under the Setting tab in the Accept Payment section. Just follow the steps to connect your accounts. This part is pretty straightforward. But don't make the mistake that most people do. They don't test their payment method and end up losing their sales. So make sure to run a test transactions to ensure everything is working smoothly. You don't want any surprises when your first customer tries to pay. Okay, so your products have been uploaded and the website is ready. What's the next thing? Yes, you have to write product descriptions. This is where you should take your sweet time, beautifully explain what your product offer. This is what your potential customers would be reading. So pay attention. In the end, you have to set up automatic downloads so customers can get their purchase instantly. Wix allows you to do this easily. Just upload the file, select it as the download options, and voila. By this time, your website will be ready and already getting visitors. If you're getting organic traffic in the beginning, it does not mean you will always. You have to attract more traffic through the power of social media. You see, TikTok and Pinterest are becoming the new Google and discovering products. People are increasingly using these platforms to find inspiration and solutions instead of traditional search engines. So you need to promote your products there. On TikTok, create short videos that show your digital products in a fun way. Make a video on trending sounds with captions telling viewers to buy your product. You can also make video where you're talking about your product or even customer testimonials. Whatever you do, just keep it fun and authentic. TikTok users love that. Pinterest, on the other hand, is all about visuals. You have to create eye-catching pins that link directly to your product. Use words in your pin descriptions to make sure they are easily discoverable. And don't forget Instagram. Use stories, reels, and posts to promote your product. A good tip is to use Instagram's shopping feature, which allows people to buy directly through your posts. Consistency is key here. Keep your audience engaged with regular updates and interactive content, and the organic traffic will keep coming. With these strategies, your digital products will reach the right audience and start generating sales in no time. Believe it or not, some people are even making $100,000 a year using this hack. Have you tried making any digital product yet? Share in the comments how this is working for you. Before you go, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more money making hacks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.